The Christian life without the power of the Holy Spirit is going nowhere and is powerless. Do you feel that way? Do you feel that your relationship with the Holy Spirit is non-existent? That you've been walking this Christian life and going nowhere? Let's take a moment and exercise something called spiritual breathing. Before you go to work, before you drop your kids off at school, just take a moment and ask yourself these questions. Do I want to be filled with the Holy Spirit? Is that truly a desire of my heart? Next, confess any sin that comes to mind to the Holy Spirit in this moment. We know what they are. We maybe can hide, lie to other people, but in that moment, when I said confess sins, you knew exactly what I meant in your heart. Third, surrender control of your life, your decisions, your dreams to the power of the Holy Spirit. And finally, by faith, ask the Holy Spirit to fill you in this moment. The Christian life without the power of the Holy Spirit is going nowhere. Take this moment to be filled with the Holy Spirit.